Here's this video of this Holmes 9-inch, or maybe 8-inch. It's probably 9, I'd say. That's what I'm guessing. I'm not exactly sure. 9-inch table fan. It doesn't look like it's plugged in, so I'll go ahead and plug it in. It is 2 speeds, so we'll start it out on low. Has a unique base design. I think this would have also come with a clip, possibly, but I'm not sure. Like, it seems like with all the fans of this Canon, they all blow good air. All their speeds. Here's high. And off. Interestingly enough, for the bathroom, there's no exhaust fan. Don't know why, but there isn't. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, just to mention, this is in Grandma Jay's room. Same room as the Canon Twister. Bye.